Hello, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make simple ability system that's gonna allow you to make simple ability and simple projectile, and then we're gonna prepare it to be able to be unlocked from our skill tree. If you follow skill tree tutorial, if not, I recommend you to check it out. And yes, and then once after this episode, we also gonna make it like let's say abilities inventory. So whenever from skill tree you unlock ability, that ability is gonna appear in inventory and you can equip it. That's gonna be another episode. It's gonna be, I think, 3 videos in total, 2 with setting up abilities and third one with skill tree. But yeah, to start, I recommend you to subscribe if you like my videos, because lots of people don't subscribe who watching it. And like video if you like it, comment with suggestions and anything that can do better, or yeah, suggestion if you wanna ask question, anything. Don't be shy. Okay, but to start, we're gonna open our blueprint components. Yeah, I'm using my blueprint. I got this blueprint from our skill tree tutorial. It's also start system tutorial because it's connected, and menu. Basically, I'm using this project for all my tutorials for now. So that's why I got lots of stuff. But if you don't follow any of it, you just want to know how to make simple ability system, just follow it now. So just create a component blueprint actor. I'm gonna name it ability system. In ability system, I cannot add much here right now, because first we're gonna go back to blueprints and I'm gonna add, let's say, abilities. Oh, what did I click? We're gonna add data asset. Where is it? Data asset. That's not what I need. No. That's not. Sorry. Open blueprint and so data as primary data asset. That's what we need to find. Gonna name it abilities, and here I'm gonna put some things. So basically we're gonna put variable name, that will be text. We're gonna put description, icon. We got some kind of icon for it. I don't have any icon prepared, but we just use something available in Unreal Engine. What else? Ability, but we didn't create actor for it yet. We're gonna come back here. We can do damage, and that will be float. We can do cost, so whatever it's cost stamina, cost magic, or whatever it's cost special energy. Yeah, and cooldown. I'm not gonna. If you follow my stats tutorial, I'm just gonna show you how you can connect that stats with using your stamina or the other stat you or whatever other stat that you created, like magic, superpower, whatever. But I'm not gonna show you damage. Oh, I already create damage. What is it? I'm not gonna show you damage or cooldown. What is it? I'm not gonna show you damage because we don't have damage system here. I got one nice one that I'm using with my stat system on my game project. So if you're interested, comment below if you want me to make a damage system that work with stat system. And cooldown, I can make it, but I haven't figured it out yet. On my project that I'm working on, I haven't worked with cooldown yet. I'm not really sure how it's worked yet, but once I figure it out, I can make video about this if people are interested. And we want animation. Okay, so once we have it, we're gonna create data asset, and it's gonna be this one, and use data as abilities, and I'm gonna name it don't know. Energy ball. Let's say anything. It's not tutorial how to make skills. I'm gonna show you this skill and maybe another one in another video. If you want, if I make something very cool, I'm gonna show you guys. But for now, yeah, I'm gonna just make this energy ball. Okay, you open it and you just set all the stuff, the name, ball, description. I don't know, to be honest. I didn't think about description, but icon. Oh wait, you know what icon supposed to be? No, 2D. Oh my god, what is it? Texture. Tag. For 1 second, I forgot what I need. Texture 2D. Ability, I will change it in a second. Animation is anim montage. Okay. So once we have it, we don't have montage yet. Cooldown, it's like 11 seconds. Cost is 40 stamina. Damage is 80. Ability to change icon. Let's make it this. Oh. Description. I can't think about anything now. Energy ball. Yeah, no stupid. Okay, and now, so we got this, this, and this. So now what we can do, we can make I got this ability. So this one is like abilities as data assets, or then we need abilities as the abilities itself. So what we can do, we can put them here. Then we're gonna make here actor, blueprint, master. It's gonna be master ability. Okay. This is gonna be master ability, and we're gonna use it to create more. It'll be like parent for all the abilities. Gonna have all the important stuff here. So we're gonna create. I wanna create is get player. Where is it? Get player character. And we're gonna cast to BP third person. Once you cast it, what we're gonna do? We're gonna make what's it called? Variable. We got a variable, very cool. And I'm gonna make it into function, so I can use it in another, in the parent, in child. And I'm gonna name it play character reference. And basically that's how it works. So in the beginning, we getting reference to the player. Then what we can do is, for example, start ability. So what you want to do, let's make ability data. And that's going to be DA abilities. Okay, and we're going to do it. What you want to do, you want it to be instance, what is it? Instance, edible, and expose on spawn. Okay, so we got this one, we got this, and then we want to play. Gonna play anim montage. No, not here. What am I doing? Yeah. Start ability, that will be my start. So whenever we press our button, our ability start, I'm gonna make a function like this stamina. So I'm using stamina, so I'm gonna use decrease stamina. So what quickly gonna do, we're gonna use our stamina. We're gonna use our stamina. Sorry, stats. We're gonna use our stats component. Stat. Where is it? There you go. No, that's not what I need. BPC. Stat. Yes, yeah. So we're gonna get this. We're gonna do decrease stamina. The cost is gonna be from here. So we're gonna get cost. And that's how we're gonna do it. You can add more things. For example, in my game project, I got function that make you that you cannot move. So when you do animation, you cannot move, and then it's clear it after. And I'm using tags as, for example, in my game project. So I'm making that it's saying that you're attacking right now. And then in the montage, I'm resetting all of it. But for now, we just do this. Later on, if you're really interested and you want to know how to do this, maybe after I show my game project in a few months, maybe time, I can show you lots of stuff from that, wherever people are interested in. But for now, you're gonna do star ability. So on the star ability, I want to decrease stamina or whatever stats you got. Because like once you start, so if your animation got cancelled or something, then you're still losing your stamina. Okay. It should be something I'm lazy to make now, magic or something like that. Let's go with stamina, but you can make magic because obviously stamina is supposed to regenerate. I didn't even put regeneration here, but it's okay. It's just for purpose of showing you how it works. So what I wanna do, play anim. Ooh, how? Why can I not find it? Okay, third person, play anim montage. We need the third person, play anim montage. And what kind of montage we're gonna play? From data ability, get animation. Here we go. You can have rate wherever you like. So once you got it, we got two. You got this. We're gonna create our animation. I got one animation ready. It's like it's throwing double knife, to be honest, but it looks alright. I don't have any animation of throwing and stuff, and just I've got this one, so I'm gonna use it. So what I want to make sure you got root motion enable. Yeah, and we're gonna create, where is it? Create any montage, name it, don't even know what to name it. Any montage, just name it as the ability power. Alright, so now what you want to do, you want to set up a few things, yeah? Oh, let's make it. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look that good with this skeleton. The queen, simple queen, mannequin one. Yeah, but whatever. I'm using different one of my game project and it looks much better. But we're just gonna leave it. I just want some kind of animation to show you. If you got better one, probably you can check on Maximo. Or maybe you got some in your fab library. They keep giving you always some free stuff, so maybe you're gonna have something there. You can check. What I'm gonna do here. Handle bundles quite good. You can get for quite cheap. Lots of stuff. Quite often, if you check it every few days, you may get something nice. So what we want to get time Nigeria effect. I'm not sure how we pronounce this to be honest. But yeah, we're gonna do it till maybe like about this time. And what you want to do, this destroy immediately. It's gonna destroy it after it's finished straight away. I think that's what is it. Yes. So you need to make sure you mark this. And then what you want to do, you want to create in blueprints, you're gonna create notifier. So let's make notifier. So I'm gonna make quickly, where do I make it? Not anim notifier, I think will be this one. Yeah, blueprint, activate ability. Okay, and what we want to do, we want to receive notify. And then what we want to do, we want to get, so we do this way, it have to be done as I'm showing you because other way it's not gonna work. You have to cast to third person character. And then from the third person character, we want to get, well, we don't have it yet. So we go to third person character, add your ability system, compile. And then what you want to do, we go back here and then we're gonna get our BBC ability system. And then you want to get, we didn't create it here yet. So you go back here, we're gonna create this, where is it? Gonna create a function, name it activate ability. And yeah, no, got lots of activate, I think, in many places. So what is it gonna do? It's gonna call active ability. It's gonna call active ability. But to do it, I got this. We go back here. We'll go back here. We're gonna change this ability to blueprint master ability class reference. And now we're gonna back here and I think it doesn't work. Compile. Now it should work. And we got obviously it's not ready our, but we're gonna create it soon and we're gonna change it here. But for first, what you have to do, you have to, we're gonna make new version and we're gonna put start ability. Name it as name it as you want. I'm just name it as this. I know it's just everywhere it's the same name, but it's easier for me to sort it out. Just easier for me. That's why it's like this. But what I want to do, so I want to put here ability. I put abilities here. So once you go to this ability, what you want to do, you want to spawn actor from class, and we're gonna get described by getting abilities connected here, and then you see, oh, now we can see what ability we're using. So we connect it here. So straight away our ability know which ability we deal with and knows what stamina cost to use, what animation to use, and all the stuff. Okay, so once you got this, where we want to spawn it, I don't know if that's matter if where we're spawning it. Maybe. But we're gonna get projectile later, but I think every different ability probably is gonna be in different space. But what you usually get, you get owner, and then you get actor transform, just connect it. So it's not to get it on your actor, basically. And owner, you can get the owner as well. This is the actor. And then you can add more things here, like a target if you want to have target and stuff. I'm not gonna play with it right now, so we don't even have enemy, we don't have damage system, so it's no point to setting up target. I'm just showing you how it simply works. So what you want to do now, you want to promote it to variable, and that's gonna be, I'm gonna name it active abilities as the ability that we're using right now. And what we're gonna do, start ability. So it's gonna be start ability, which is this start ability inside of this actor ability master ability. So once it starts, it's gonna go to our thingy. What you wanna do, you want to add notify active ability, and in this moment the ability gonna start. You go, and in this moment it's gonna start, and that's it basically. And what we're gonna choose, what we're gonna go for. Is it gonna activate now? Why is it not updated? I wanna see, because we didn't put socket name. You can go in skeleton now. You're gonna get hand. I'm not sure if I got socket. That's a bone name. Hand grip left. Bone name, socket name. We can use it, I believe. Yeah, we can use it. Why not? Okay, I'm just gonna use this socket. So what you want to do, you want to what am I looking for now? Here. So you want this effect to play on your left hand. It doesn't. Does it need to like maybe save it? Okay, doesn't really matter. We're gonna make projectiles, and then we're gonna choose which orb we're gonna use, and then we're gonna use exactly same one here. That's just to show you. Okay, so next what we're gonna do. Okay, so we got this done. And then we're gonna go to our ability, active ability. In active ability, we're gonna get our active ability. In activate ability, we're gonna get our active ability, and we're gonna get nothing I haven't created yet, didn't I? And here I wanna create where is it? Function, you wanna get active ability. Yeah. So from activate ability, I'm not gonna do it here anything, but in the child I'm gonna do some different moves. We're gonna expand projectile. So we're gonna just back here and do activate ability, and that should work now. So if we want to check, we're gonna check in a second. We're gonna go back in abilities and we're gonna create child blueprint, and I'm gonna name it energy ball. Okay, so we got energy ball, and gonna go here. Oh, what am I doing there? It's all good. We're just gonna put it. I'm not sure. 1 second. Am I doing it? I'm not sure if I have to. I already got it. Maybe I'll just do it for safety. Not sure now. But yeah, alright. So we got this energy ball ability. And what you want to do, you want to overwrite activate ability. And in active ability, we don't want anything what parents give us. But you can set more logic in the master ability and then just use it here. But for me, I'm gonna just do it here like this. So what we want to do, we want to create now projectiles. So I'm just gonna create it here for now. So what we want to do, actually I'm gonna make folder and we'll name it projectiles. I think that's how it's spelled it. Am I right? And we're gonna create the actor and we're gonna BP projectile base. Now in projectile base, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add few things. I'm not gonna make it very complicated. It's gonna be very simple. So what we want to do, we want to add few variables. You wanna add variable like first we wanna add few things. We're gonna add arrow, so we know which direction it go. We can add mesh, but you don't have to add mesh, but you can add. I think it's fine without mesh. Actually, we're gonna have the projectile itself, isn't it? So we got projectile movement. You add projectile movement. That's all right. And now what you want to do, so first thing, maybe we're gonna create the construct script. So from construct script we're gonna get projectile and we wanna like set speed, initial speed, and set max speed. Okay. And then we're gonna get our variable and just name it speed. We're just gonna do as one. It's gonna be for both. So basically, whatever speed you set here, just gonna go non-stop with this. But yet, so that's what we're gonna do, and we wanna add gravity. So we're gonna set gravity, and then just gonna get right, yeah, and just gonna gravity. So basically, if you want your projectile to go straight, as it's like, for example, my energy ball just gonna go straight without going down. But if it's arrow, for example, you want it to have gravity and go down, if you know what I mean. We want to put them on expose bound and editable. Same here. Okay, so the next thing you can do is, for example, add it if you want it homing. So if you want your projectile to follow the target, but I'm not gonna set it now. I say it's gonna be very simple. So we're just gonna leave it as it is. Very basic. You got lots of tutorial about projectiles and stuff like this. Recommend to watch lots of wonderful tutorials, to be honest. Yeah. Okay, so I got variable, now I got lost. talking now. Okay, and now what we're gonna do, so we wanna set on impact. Now I need collision box. Box collision. Oh, just box. Can't just leave the name. Okay, and we're gonna go on event graph, and we're gonna do on impact. On component hit, that'll be this one. Yes, on component hit, and what you wanna do, you wanna break hit result. And what you can do here, for example, so you can set up here on impact effect, spawn impact effect. That's what we're gonna do. To spawn impact effect, we're gonna go here, custom event, spawn impact effect. Yeah. Okay, and what you want to do, you want to get this impact effect. So you're gonna get another variable, and let's say impact. We're gonna put impact effect, and it's gonna be Nigeria. I think that's how you say it, right? Nigeria. I need to watch some videos to listen to how all the people say that, because system. Here we go. So what you wanna do? You wanna to be exposed. Same again. So basically, we can edit it very quickly. And what I'm gonna do is how do I get it? Wait, get and cover to get. And if it's violet, so we're gonna do spawn system at location. Okay, and the location is we're gonna add here location. We're gonna do location. Once location is here, we connect it to this location. Put it nicely. And nothing else need to be done. So basically, we're just gonna spawn the effect. So once we hit, so I'm gonna do dispatch as well on projectile impact. So basically, we call it whenever there's impact, you wanna add it here. Where is it? Huh? Yeah, okay. You wanna add it We wanna add it other actor, which is this actor. Why do I have the do not do work actor? Yeah, we got actor connects with the other actor, and we also want hit result. So add hit result, and we're just gonna connect it, and so we know it hit. So whenever we hit something, it's gonna call it in another blueprint. And the next we wanna do, we're gonna spawn our effect, and you want a location. So location is gonna be from impact point, and then you can do more things. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna do destroy actor on the end. So whenever it hits something, it's gonna destroy that actor. You can play music, for example, all the things, but I'm not gonna play with that. Okay, so we got this one, and that's basically a simple one. And another thing you wanna do on beginning play, it's gonna get box and ignore actor when moving. The actor is gonna be get owner. Where is it? Get owner. And we're gonna get the select. Okay. Okay, and get instigator. Did I? No, that's not what I need. Oh, this one. Get instigator. So you connect it here. You connect it here. And we want is check if it's violet, but yeah. Here we go. So we set this one up, and that should now work. So now what you want to do, you want to create a child. So that's gonna be my energy ball. So once you open this energy ball, you should have option like impact, so you can choose some explosion. I'm gonna choose simple explosion. Speed, let's say 800, yeah. Gravity 0. I want it to go straight. And now we have to add. We're gonna add. We need to add Niagara. Well, that's how we say after Niagara. Yeah, and then we want to add our one of our balls. So okay, now you can see how it looks. Would I get rid of this stuff? What is this? You got that ball. What is that ugly thing? I don't know. Oh, so what you wanna do? You wanna put this in the box. Wow. Ah. Yeah, I know. I know what's wrong. We don't wanna default scene. No, I don't need default scene. So it's gonna delete everything. I think. Do I need it? Default scene? I don't think I need it. What? I'm pretty sure you can remove that. But it doesn't matter what I'm gonna do. I'm pretty sure you can remove that. It's gonna annoy me here. But yeah. just gonna put that inside and all good. And then what we're gonna choose, something cool. You got like, oh my god, it annoys me. I cannot say it properly. Can I make it invisible or something at least? Hide in game, no, that's not what I mean. Visibility, oh my god, it's so annoying me. Let me know how to remove that in comment, please. Then I didn't have it in my project. That I had to remove it somehow. Okay, so we can use this one. That one look nice. Can change color. I got this pack. I think I got it from Humble Bundle. It got like this orbs, different orbs. Oh, that's like the sword. Yeah. Oh, that's like Rasengan. Then you want to watch Naruto. Yeah. And I'm gonna spend 1 hour choosing something. Okay, let's choose number 12. Oh, that looks nice. That looks like energy ball. Okay, so once we have it, we're gonna save it. So we should have simple projectile. So you're gonna go back to energy ball and we want to spawn actor from class. And we're gonna choose our energy ball. So pro energy ball. Oh no, my god. Because I name both of them energy ball like moron. Then I'm not sure which one is which one. So let's change its name. The name is Projectile Energy Ball. So now we're gonna Projectile Energy Ball. Okay, but it doesn't work. Impact effect. Actually, impact effect. No. We don't wanna expose the impact effect. I was wrong. So you can go back in base and on impact effect. No, we don't want to. Because we already do it in this one here. Okay, why doesn't it work? Because we need to refresh it. No, refresh. And now it should all go. What's going on? Ah, okay. Yeah, we added. 1 second, we will add it. So let's get third person. And we wanna get root component. And from the root component, you wanna get socket transform. And then we wanna get the socket name. Should I have it still saved? Nah, no, I don't have it anymore. Oh. So I'm gonna go back in wherever I save it. Here we go. So now we're gonna open too many. I opened too many windows. I'm getting lost. Okay, so that's a socket name. That's where the thingy should spawn from. Okay, we add this one. Perfect. And we're gonna that should be good. You can add owner, just third person character. And that all looks good. So for now, let's see if it spawn. But to make it spawn, wait, let's see. Okay. So we got start ability. So it's choosing which ability it is, go through it, create it. It's all good. Create it, start ability, go on. Then activate ability, go on. And then in master ability, on start ability, we got all of this here. Connected, that's all wonderful. Okay, and then what we need to do, we just do energy ball. Okay, and in third person character, let's create start ability. And when we get the key, let's get some key. Get key. G. I want a key G. No. Right. So yeah, I'm an idiot. I was doing it. You already probably know. I was doing it in some of the function. That's why it didn't work. I was like, why it doesn't work? I was like, what's wrong? Right. But we need to select ability. Yeah. So for example, let's create like ability one. Yeah. So what's gonna happen now is the abilities. Yeah. So what's gonna happen? We're gonna make system that it's gonna set up this variable through equipping. So for example, we're gonna make like two slots, two ability slots in your inventory. You're gonna have nice inventories, you know, like how you play here. Let's say we're gonna have inventory here actually. You're gonna have two slots. When you press this, it's gonna open kind of like small inventory and gonna have all abilities there. And then you press it, it's gonna add it and it's gonna give value to it. But for now, I'm just gonna use it myself. Okay. Like already videos like 40 minutes, 46 minutes. So I'm gonna hurry up. Probably video could be longer. I'm just talking too much. Sorry about that, guys. It's very late. It's like 2 a.m. in 2 a.m. Yes, so it's only time I can, to be honest, record it. I'm talking a little bit too much, and yeah, I'm a bit tired, but it's okay. So once you got it, you're gonna do star ability, and it should work. Possibly not. Obviously, it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? So we go this ability, blah blah blah. Let's go to ability. You know why it doesn't work? Because we haven't set animation. What the fuck is this? Pistol fire montage. Oh, and now it should work. Okay, and oh, it kinda work if you see the movement and you see we got something in our hand, but it doesn't sound. What's the value on this side? I'm already forgetting what value. What did I do last time? Okay, so if we go in our stats component, yeah, we got all the nice beautiful stats. I recommend it for you guys if you wanna check it out. And we're gonna set to our stamina. So let's see if stamina getting used. So stamina it gets used, as you see, and it doesn't recover it, but it doesn't matter. If you want to see how it's work, the stamina system, stat system, I recommend to watch the video about stat system. And also I just add a few days ago how to unlock it in skill tree. Okay, so another thing. So what was it? Make sure, because we haven't finished it, and that's my fault. The notifier, make sure you connect it with activate ability, which is where is it? Which is this one. That activate ability that's going on in too many stuff. It's going on here. So this activate ability that's going here, and it's found the projectile. But what we need bind event to on projectile impact, and we wanna create event, yeah, and we're gonna create matching function. But we're not gonna create here matching function actually. What's happened? Oh, okay, so we're gonna leave it for the second. We come back to it. But what you want to do, you wanna get owner, and then what you want to get component by class. And you wanna get capsule collision capsule collision. And what you wanna do, you want to do that ignore actor when moving. Oh, box. No. That's not what we're using. We're using this for actor, not for the box. We're not using box from here. So basically, we're using that's a target, the collision box. And this one, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our yeah. So what you have to do now, find out. We go in master ability. You go in active ability. You set it up all the projectile thingy with the transform, blah blah blah, and then you do the being the event on projectile impact, and then you create event. When you create event, press create matching function. When you do it, it's gonna create it, and then you can rename it. Yeah, that's what I done. So that's how I got impact or on impact. So you can add here, for example, you got all the information about actor you hit. So you can add here damage system. And then after, make sure you just press to destroy this ability, this actor that spawned the ability. So once it's done, you go to your energy ball, and then you can find it here now. It's gonna appear because it's being created. And then make sure it should ignore it's on here and it's on here as well. And then also we just gonna take this box and do that, because it won't work properly if you don't do it. Just try everything, test it, and that's how this work. And also in the box, make sure you do costume, query only, no physical collision, and do exactly as I did. And that's everything. So as you see, we play it, and then it doesn't work. Why doesn't work? It literally worked a second ago. Make sure you take it away. Yeah, we don't need to connect. You can even delete it if you want. Yeah, and it's work, and boom, do explosion on the end. Boom. Okay, so quickly, that's all we have to do. So quickly, what we done, we create the data asset, then we set it up. We create our actor ability master and a child, which is ability, which is we put it here. We create the projectiles. So then what we done, we went to activate start ability. We're starting ability. You can do some check if it's valid and do some conditions, in what condition we can start ability. If we're jumping or falling, we cannot, and stuff like this, you know. If you're healing, you cannot do it. Different reason why you don't activate ability. You cannot activate ability. But yeah, so from ability, we're getting all the information we need to spawn actor. When you spawn actor, we start ability, and then the start ability, getting animation play, and animation activate ability, which go back here, and then it's called ability inside the energy ball, and that start playing, and that's how energy ball works basically. So yeah, so if you got any question, and yeah, as you see, it's explode on impact, it do damage. It look quite good. Obviously, it's nothing special. Even with this animation, it look quite nice. But yeah, so if you got any question, leave the comment, ask. You can text me private, wherever you like. You got email someone on my account, you can probably, I can reply you from the email as well. Or I don't know, can you text on YouTube private messages? I think you can possibly. But yeah, if you like this video, I know it's quite a long video, 1 hour. I've been talking way too much, I think. Sorry about that. If you like this video, definitely like the video, so I know you like it. So it show me like you guys like it when you watch it. Subscribe to not miss do not miss well, subscribe to not miss any other videos, any other tutorials. As I say, I'm gonna make another tutorial about ability, how to make like inventory kind of thingy, and then I'm gonna do with my skill tree, how to unlock it when you unlock it on skill tree and how it appear in inventory. So all these tutorials gonna be on channel in next 2 weeks. So definitely subscribe, leave a like and comment, and I see you later, guys.